Hello, aspiring Java developers. Welcome to this exciting tutorial on Java exception handling. Have you ever had a program crash unexpectedly? It can be frustrating, right? Well, today, we are going to learn how to prevent those crashes and make your Java applications more robust and reliable. Exception handling is a critical skill for any serious programmer. In this video, we will explore what exceptions are, how to use the fundamental try-catch blocks, understand the finally block for cleanup, and look at some practical examples to solidify your understanding. Get ready to write code that can gracefully handle unexpected situations. So, what exactly is an exception? In Java, an exception is an event that disrupts the normal flow of a program's instructions. Think of it like hitting a roadblock on your journey. Without exception handling, your program would simply stop or crash. This is where the try-catch block comes to our rescue. The try block contains the code that might throw an exception, the risky code. If an exception occurs inside the try block, the program immediately jumps to the catch block. The catch block then contains the code to handle that specific exception, allowing your program to recover or inform the user gracefully. It is like having a plan B for your code. Excellent. Now that we understand the basic try-catch mechanism, let us expand our toolkit. What if different types of problems can occur in our try block? Java allows us to use multiple catch blocks to handle various exception types, one after another. Remember, it is important to place the most specific exception catch block first, followed by more general ones. And then, we have the finally block. This block is truly special because the code inside it will always execute, regardless of whether an exception was thrown or caught. It is perfect for cleanup operations, like closing files or releasing resources, ensuring your program leaves no loose ends. Let us put our knowledge into practice with a common real-world scenario, reading from a file. File input-output operations are notorious for throwing exceptions because many things can go wrong, the file might not exist, or there might be issues while reading its contents. In this example, we are using FileReader and BufferedReader to read a text file. Our try block attempts to open and read the file. If the file is not found, a file not found exception is caught. If any other input-output error occurs, an IO exception is handled. Crucially, our finally block ensures that the file reader is always closed, preventing resource leaks even if an error occurred during reading. This is robust programming in action. As you start using exception handling, it is natural to encounter some common pitfalls. One big mistake is catching the most general exception class too early, which can hide more specific problems. Always try to catch specific exception types first. Another common error is having an empty catch block, essentially ignoring the exception. Please do not do this. At the very least, log the error so you know something went wrong. Also, remember to always close resources like file streams or database connections. If you forget, your program might leak resources. Best practice is to catch specific exceptions, provide meaningful error messages or logging, and always ensure resources are properly closed, either in a finally block or by using a try with resources statement for auto-closing resources. Alright, fantastic job, everyone. We have covered a lot about Java exception handling today. We started by understanding what exceptions are, those unexpected events that can disrupt your program. Then, we learned how to use the powerful try-catch blocks to gracefully handle these exceptions, preventing crashes and making your applications more reliable. We also explored the finally block, which is essential for ensuring cleanup operations always execute. Remember the importance of catching specific exceptions and avoiding empty catch blocks. Practice these concepts, try them in your own code, and you will be writing truly robust Java applications in no time. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more Java tips. Keep coding and keep learning.